Hello everybody, Andre is here, and as usual today we have another project. We installed this beautiful sliding windows OKNA 600 series deluxe package. So that's how they look inside. So when you look at it, nice and smooth capping everywhere. So that's how the capping looks like as usual, nice and neat all the way around the window, everything caulked tightly, and not a single ant is going to be able to crawl inside the house. So basically, to operate these windows, we unlock these two beautiful locks right here. Look how easy to operate this window. To the left, to the right, it's almost without any noise. Every window comes with a half screen as well, which is, you can move it to each side, depends. If you're right-handed, you can move it to the right side. If you're left-handed, you can move the screen to the left side. And the window has these beautiful handles. Close like that, nice and neat. Then nice feature, another nice feature, night latches. We can open a couple of inches on one side only and keep our pets, dogs or cats inside the house, and keep any invited guests from the outside. Once you don't use them, you put them back. All our sliding windows, they come with this beautiful system which is called Easy Glide system. So what happens, it has this nice aluminum track right here at the bottom for both sashes, and this way the sash glides like on a butter. Even a little bit of dust, like you can see right here, some kind of little small pieces laying inside the track, not gonna prevent the window from opening nice and easy without any effort. The window has well insulation as well on all sashes. All in all, with our sliding windows, you're gonna get definitely peace of mind, ease of use, high energy efficiency and durability, as well as usual, lifetime manufacturers, limited lifetime manufacturer warranty and solid labor warranty as well. Anyway, whenever you have a chance, if you need these windows, give us a buzz. Alright, thanks for watching.